Good evening. Welcome to my video session. Today our topic is job costing. As you know, once we are going to determine the cost per unit, clear my point? Then the element of cost is your material, labor and overhead. These are the three elements of cost, as you know. Now, in case of job costing, it is a part of your specific order costing. Job costing, it is a part of your specific order costing. Specific order means as per the order of the customers, product are produced. Take for example in case of टेलर, हम लोग जब शर्ट या पैंट सिलने जाते हैं तो हम जिस हिसाब से उसको बताते हैं, जिस स्टाइल में बताते हैं, वो उसी स्टाइल में उसी हिसाब से हम लोग का ऑर्डर के हिसाब से वो प्रोडक्ट को बनाता है। अगर हम लोग के हिसाब से वो प्रोडक्ट बना रहा है, डेफिनेटली कॉस्ट इज डिफर फ्रॉम प्रोडक्ट टू प्रोडक्ट। कॉस्ट इज ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज आवर फैशन इज ऑलवेज डिफर फ्रॉम पर्सन टू पर्सन। इन केस ऑफ ज्वेलरी ऑल्सो, इन केस ऑफ ज्वेलरी हम जिस हिसाब से उसको ऑर्डर देते हैं वो उसी हिसाब से लगाता है और उसी हिसाब से उसका कॉस्ट भी डिटरमिन करता है। दैट मीन्स दिस इज कॉल्ड जॉब ऑर्डर कॉस्टिंग। फॉर ईच पर्टिकुलर जॉब सेपरेटली कॉस्ट इज डिटरमिन्ड। दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज कॉल्ड जॉब कॉस्टिंग। ईच एंड एवरी प्रोडक्ट कॉस्ट इज डिफर बिकॉज as per the order of the consumer, as per the order of the customer, product are produced. So material may be in some cases more, material may be some cases less, labor may be some cases more, labor may be some cases less, and like that in your overhead also expenses may be more or may be less, and material, labor and overhead, that is always variable cost in nature. That's why cost for a job is decided. In case of cost sheet participant, in case of cost sheet you will find work cost, factory cost, cost of production. That means all variable cost and fixed cost are taken into the account. In this case also your cost is determined with the help of cost sheet, but cost sheet is prepared for each particular job. Each particular job. Please write down little bit. आप लोग थोड़ा लिखिए ताकि आप लोग को समझ में आएगा। थोड़ा लिखिए। What is job costing? What is job costing? थोड़ा लिख लीजिए। What is job costing? Write down. Job costing is that form of specific order costing. Job costing is that form of specific order costing. Specific order costing under which each job is treated as a cost unit. Each job is treated as a cost unit, and costs are accumulated and ascertained separately for each particular job, separately for each particular job. Clear my point? Full stop. A job may be consist of, a job may be consist of, a job may be consist of, a job may be consist of a job, comma, batch of product, comma, contract, a service, or any specific order. Clear my point? You will find in different area your job cost is applied. We have only discussed in case of tailor, in case of jewelers, in case of your vehicle repairing. You will find हम लोग जब सर्विस सेंटर जाते हैं गाड़ी धोने के लिए सर्विस सेंटर में जाते हैं, एक जॉब शीट इज मेंटेन. आप लोग देखेंगे जॉब शीट इज मेंटेन. वो जॉब शीट में पूरा लिखा रहता है क्या क्या काम हुआ, क्या क्या चीज लगा, उसके बाद उसका लेबर चार्ज टोटल जोड़ने के बाद आप लोग को टोटल अमाउंट चार्ज करता है. दैट मीन्स फॉर ईच पर्टिकुलर जॉब how much cost is involved, that is added and the cost is find out, and accordingly you will make final payment. ये कहीं भी सर्विस में भी हो सकता है, प्रोडक्शन में भी हो सकता है, नहीं, for each particular job you are producing, so accordingly your job sheet will be prepared. Clear my point? So next write down what are the different features of job costing. Features of job costing. Features of job costing. So first point is each job is treated as a cost unit. Each job is treated as a cost unit. Each job is treated as a cost unit. Second one, all costs are accumulated. All costs are accumulated and ascertained for each particular job. Ascertained for each particular job. So please write down third one. Each job is a unique one. Each job, it is a unique one. Next one. Each job is a unique one. Next one. Each job is executed. Each job is executed as per the customer specification. As per the customer specification. As per the customer specification. A separate, next one, a separate job card. A separate job card sheet is prepared. A separate job card sheet is prepared for each particular job. For each particular job. Clear? These are the different features of the job costing. Now write down application. ये कहाँ कहाँ अप्लाई होता है? Where this job cost is applied? Now write down the application. Write down the application of job costing. Application of job costing. First one, write down job costing is applied, job costing is applied, job costing is applied in those industry where the goods are manufactured, or services are rendered, against specific order, as per customer specification, like first one engineering industry, write down. First one engineering industry, second one construction industry, third one shipbuilding industry, next furniture making industry, automobile service industry, last one is repair shop industry. So these are the application made in different industry by your job costing. Then comes to what is the advantage of your job costing? Please write down advantage of job costing. Write down advantage of job costing. To know a detailed analysis of cost of material, labor and overheads charged to each job. Second one, to find out the profit and loss on each job. Next, to estimate the cost and profitability of similar job. To be taken off in future. Last one, to control operational efficiency, by comparing the actual cost to control the operational efficiency by comparing the actual cost with estimated cost. So these are the advantage of job costing. Now you will find when we are going to calculate the cost of each job, remember one thing: all the material, all the labor and all the overhead related to that particular job is only taken into the account. Other job cost means other job material, other job labor, other job overhead must not be taken into the specific job at the time of determination of cost. Clear my point? Only that part of material, only that part of labor, only that part of overhead is taken into the account. All the cost must be related to the specific job only. Other job costs must not be taken into the account. This point must be remembered. Now, this is nothing but your cost sheet. Like your cost sheet, your job cost is find out. Suppose to produce a particular article, 3 to 4 type of material are used. Material A, B, C, D, whatever it may be. Then you will prepare job cost sheet. Job cost sheet. Job cost sheet will be prepared. For each particular job cost sheet must be prepared. Cost sheet means first you will take direct material. जितना भी मटेरियल वो जॉब के साथ रिलेटेड है पूरा आएगा. मान लीजिए मटेरियल ए पूरा आएगा, मटेरियल बी पूरा आएगा, मटेरियल सी पूरा आएगा. टोटल आप उसको निकाल लेना. टोटल मटेरियल ही विल गेट. So direct material. Remember, in case of job cost, see, all are direct. Direct material, direct labor, and direct overhead are taken into the account. Then you will take direct labor. To direct labor, लेबर को हम लोग क्या चीज देते हैं? लेबर को हम लोग क्या चीज देते हैं? वेजेस. That means wages is paid to the labor, so wages will be taken. Suppose 2 or more labor are engaged there. Sometime what is happened, to produce a particular article, remember 2 to 4 department are concerned. That means labor charge of 2 or 3 department, whatever it may be, total will be taken. मान लीजिए डिपार्टमेंट ए का लेबर, ए डिपार्टमेंट का लेबर पूरा चार्ज होगा, बी डिपार्टमेंट का लेबर पूरा चार्ज होगा, सी डिपार्टमेंट का लेबर पूरा चार्ज होगा. जितना भी लेबर चार्ज होगा, एक चीज बनाने के लिए जितना भी मटेरियल लगा हो, जितना डिपार्टमेंट कंसर्न हो, लेबर चार्ज हो, वो पूरा आएगा. क्लियर माय पॉइंट? Then comes to your overhead. Overhead means this is also departmental expenses. Overhead is also departmental expenses. This will also charge accordingly. Whatever hours, actually you will find we are paying labor charges per hour. Clear my point? हम लोग बात करेंगे जब रेम्युनरेशन और इंसेंटिव्स पढ़ेंगे उस टाइम पे हम बात करेंगे हाउ वेज रेट इज डिटरमिन्ड फॉर द लेबर, बट फॉर द टाइम बीइंग फॉर जॉब कॉस्ट शीट whatever time spent by labor for hour basis the labor charges are paid. Clear my point? So in case of overhead also, मान लो डिपार्टमेंटल ए का कुछ खर्चा हुआ है तो प्रोपोर्शनेट जाएगा, बी डिपार्टमेंट का भी जाएगा, सी डिपार्टमेंट का भी जाएगा. So if you add this total material, labor and overhead, total of material, total of labor and total of overhead, then you will find out the total cost of the job. Total cost of the job. Total cost of job. Clear my point? ये बहुत सिंपल है जॉब कॉस्ट शीट, तो इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होना चाहिए. क्लियर? हम लोग एक क्वेश्चंस करके इसको समझने के लिए कोशिश करते हैं, लेकिन मैं कल क्वेश्चंस टाइप करके आपको दे दूंगा, उसके बाद समझाऊंगा. ये था आप लोग का जॉब कॉस्टिंग. इसमें कुछ भी नहीं है, एक नंबर करने के बाद ये बहुत छोटा सा चैप्टर है, छोटा सा कॉस्ट शीट भी बनता है इसमें. मैं कल एक नंबर आपको दे दूंगा, उसके बाद समझा दूंगा, आप लोग समझ जाएंगे. अब जो जो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट अकाउंट नहीं किए हैं आप कॉन्ट्रैक्ट अकाउंट करिए, 2-3 बार देखिए, है ना. और जॉब कॉस्ट में इतना ही है और ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है. एक इलस्ट्रेशन या नंबर करवा के समझा देने से आप लोग का कल खत्म हो जाएगा. आज के लिए मैं इतना में रुकता हूँ. आप सबको धन्यवाद. कल फिर मैं डिटेल से, अगर मेरा वीडियो आप लोग को अच्छा लग रहा है तो नीचे दिया हुआ सब्सक्रिप्शन बटन में सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करिए ताकि मेरा वीडियो आपके पास पहुंचता रहे. और कहीं पे भी आप लोगों का डाउट है कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करिए ताकि मैं आपको समझा पाऊँ. धन्यवाद.